Miss Gage is an elderly widow who lives in a cottage in a village called Spilsby in Yorkshire. Miss Gage only has a few shillings to live off of. A postman gives her a letter and Miss Gage opened it, and it said, "Dear Madam, we have the honor to inform you of the death of your brother, Mr. Joseph Brand.
He just walked out.
He has left you his entire property," the letter went on, "which consists of a dwelling house, stable, cucumber frames, mangles, wheelbarrows, etc., etc. in the village of Rodmell near Lewes. He also bequeaths to you his entire fortune, which is £3,000. Miss Gage almost fell into the fire with joy. She had not seen her brother for many years, and as he did not acknowledge the Christmas card which she had sent him every year, she thought that his miserly habits, well known to her from childhood, made him grudge even a penny stamp for a reply. But now it had all turned to her advantage, with £3,000, to say nothing of house, etc., etc. She and her family could live in great luxury forever.
Oh my, I must go to Rodmell at once.
Miss Gage knocked at the door. There was no answer. She knocked again. A very strange high voice shrieked,
"Not at home." Mrs. Ford, who was shrieking that sound? Not at home.
"Drat, it was that bird." Mrs. Gage went around the house to see what sort of property her brother had left her, but it was a bitter disappointment. Miss Gage only cheered herself by thinking of the £3,000 that lay safe and snug in Lewes Bank.
I am determined to set out to Lewes to claim my money and then to return home as quickly as possible.
I regret to inform you, Mrs. Gage, that I cannot find any trace of your £3,000. No gold, no silver, no valuables, or anything. Miss Gage had been walking depressively for hours and hours, and then a small boy in his nightgown came capering up to her and cried out,
Joseph Brand's house is on fire.
Did anyone save the parrot?
"Be thankful you're not in there yourself, Anna." "Mrs. Gage, you can come sleep tonight in my cottage while the fire will be extinguished."
Thank you very much.
She was lying in bed thinking these thoughts when a slight tap at the window made her start. The tap was repeated 3 times over. Miss Gage got out of bed as quickly as she could and went to action.
Oh, Birdie, you're still alive.
The bird takes her to show her the treasure.
Oh my gosh, it's a treasure.
Hey guys, I have news for you. 2 months later, the bird and Mrs. Gage died. Thanks for watching. Produced by me.